What's up guys? This week for our hump day hike we're heading to the Cave of Munits, or Cave of Months, the Bat Cave, Shaman's Cave. I've heard people call it a bunch of different names. We're heading there through the Victory Boulevard entrance. There are several different ways to get there. Some people go through El Escorpion Park, which is on Vinowen, but we're actually heading there through the Victory Trailhead on Victory. Now this entrance, this is part of the Santa Monica Mountains Conservancy. There's a gravel parking lot where you can park. It's $3 to park here, or you can park on the street. Street parking is completely free. The only restrictions is from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. So let's go check it out. When you enter the park, just stay right and you'll see a sign that says Hunter Allen Trail. Take that and just take it all the way. On your way to the cave, you're gonna pass these water tanks on the right hand side, and these are here in case of a fire. What the fire department does is they'll fly a helicopter over the water tank, suck out water, and go drop it on the fire. We've been walking for 0.72 miles. This is the cave right here. And the cave entrance is right here. We're in front of the very steep trail, but we're not going to take this trail because it's slippery. Instead, we're going to go to the right and cut back around, and that trail is going to be easier, not as steep. Hey guys, I'm inside the cave. If you're afraid of heights, I wouldn't recommend climbing up here. You have to climb about 30 feet until you're inside the cave. The cave is said to have been the home of a Chumash shaman who was killed after murdering the son of a Chumash chief. Can you guys say Chumash chief 5 times? Chumash chief, Chumash chief, Chumash chief. This area doesn't always look like this. Right now, it's really green and lush. But during the summer months, this is all dry. It has more of a desert look. Winter and spring are the best times to come because look at how beautiful this is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week for our next hump day hike.